If you're a small YouTuber posting great content but barely getting views, you are not the problem. Your promotion strategy is. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful places where your YouTube videos can get seen, shared, and watched. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we grow together, smarter and faster. If this is a video you like to watch, make sure to smash that like button so that other small YouTubers can get to see this video and we can all grow together, smarter and faster. Today's video is about where you can share your YouTube videos and actually get views, even if you're just starting out on YouTube. As a small YouTuber, you shouldn't depend solely on YouTube algorithm to push out your videos. And the best thing you can do for yourself right now is to take advantage of these 7 powerful places I'm going to be telling you of shortly and promote your YouTube videos so that you can start getting views on your YouTube videos. The moment you start getting more views more than your usual or regular views on your videos, the YouTube algorithm will start pushing out, promoting, and recommending your videos. And this is because the YouTube algorithm actually favors and promotes videos that are getting views. Do you get it? So if your videos start getting views, the YouTube algorithm will be forced now to push out your videos to more persons. Every time you upload a video and the video starts getting views, it triggers the YouTube algorithm to push out that video more. So come with me, let's get right into this video. The very first place I would like to talk about is WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp is one application that a lot of persons use. In fact, everybody who has a smartphone has WhatsApp in their smartphone, and studies have shown that a lot of people go to their WhatsApp multiple times in a day. So take advantage of WhatsApp. Leverage on your personal network is going to help build your view base fast, your early view base fast. So leverage on your personal network, and you can use your WhatsApp status or your WhatsApp broadcast. Now, to use your WhatsApp status, make sure you post a snippet or the most catchy part of your video on your WhatsApp status. Include your thumbnail of that video and drop a link. Also, when making use of your WhatsApp status, make sure that you attach like a nice picture or comedy video at the end of your post. That way you can get more people to view your status and eventually click to watch that video. Now, this strategy also works for people, for business owners who post their goods on their status and don't get views. When you post on your WhatsApp status, the viewers actually see the last content first. So that last content is what will now determine if they are actually going to view your status or not. So make sure that what you are posting at the end of your video snippet and link is something catchy that will attract people to actually view your profile and watch your status. Now the thing is, actually adding a nice picture of yourself or a nice picture from the internet makes people want to click on your status, because everybody likes to know what is happening in this person's life. Everybody wants to see a picture of this person. So make sure that you always put out something nice at the end of your video. Now, to use a WhatsApp broadcast, you go ahead first to create a broadcast list from your contact list. Now, create a broadcast list from your contact list. Talk about the video and attach a snippet, the most catchy part of that video, and also include the link. That way, most people are going to read, watch the snippet, and also click on the link that takes them directly to that YouTube video to watch that particular video. Now, make sure you're doing this for every of your YouTube video. Like every time you upload a new video, you should do this. If you're still watching at this point, make sure to smash that like button right now. The second powerful place to promote your YouTube videos to get more views is actually Facebook groups. Now, make sure that you are using Facebook groups related to your niche or related to your videos. Now, for me, who is in YouTube growth niche, I will not go and promote my videos in a place where they are buying and selling clothes or buying and selling Gary. It's not going to get views. Make sure that you're promoting your videos in related groups. When you join these Facebook groups, talk about your video in a way that gets people's attention, in a way that people will want to actually watch that video. You can even drop a snippet of the video, like a very catchy part of a video, not too long, just very short. Put your link at the thumbnail of that video that gets people clicking and going straight up to that video on YouTube to watch that video. This will get you a lot of views. Now, you can also use your Facebook profile. All you have to do is drop a message, talk about the video, make it catchy so that people would actually want to watch it, want to see what you talked about in that video and learn one or two. Make it catchy. The people that already know you on your Facebook profile, they would actually want to click and watch that video. So make sure you're using your Facebook profile and Facebook groups to actually get more views for your YouTube videos. Now, the fourth powerful place where you can actually get a lot of views for your video from is Instagram. Now, Instagram has a lot of high quality leads, and you can use Instagram posts, Instagram story, or even Instagram reels to promote your content. Just make sure you put up the catchiest, I don't know if there's a word like that though, but make sure that you put the most catchy part of your video on that Instagram and put a call to action telling people to watch the full video on YouTube. Add your link. Make sure that your YouTube channel is also linked to your Instagram profile so that you can always get people to subscribe or watch a new video. In fact, once there's a new video up on your channel, after you put the snippet and you include the link at the bottom, like on the description, make sure to also include that video link on your Instagram profile. So whichever way, either people click and watch from your profile or they click and watch directly from the video snippet, you're still going to be getting a lot of views on that video. The fourth platform I'm going to talk about is Reddit. Reddit is one platform that is unsaturated right now. There are very few people that use Reddit, so make sure that you use Reddit to get views for your videos. You can join subreddits that are related to your niche, related to the video you want to talk about. Now, before you go ahead to drop your video links, make sure that you're adding value, make sure that you're giving value, you're answering questions, you're solving problems, and then you drop your link. That way you'll be getting people to actually watch your videos. The fifth platform to promote your videos to get views is Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform where people go to ask questions to gain clarity on different subjects. There are questions on a whole lot of subjects on Quora, so make sure that you're answering questions related to your niche, related to that video you want to promote. Now, when you answer the question, when you have given value, you can add your link as a resource to gain further insight on what you have answered. That way people are going to be clicking and actually subscribing to your channel. Remember, always answer trending questions and include your video as a helpful resource. People are looking for your video. Your video is the answer to someone's question, so people are definitely going to watch. The sixth platform I'm going to talk about is Pinterest. Now, a lot of persons actually spend time daily on Pinterest trying to gain ideas on different topics or different niches. So make sure that you are spending time on Pinterest promoting your videos. There are times that you'd see a particular pin on Pinterest and you want to know more about that pin because it caught your attention, and boom, once you click on it, you land in someone's YouTube channel watching that video to gain more knowledge. So make sure that you're promoting your videos on Pinterest. Lastly, the seventh place I'm going to talk about to promote your YouTube video to get more views and grow your YouTube channel is using your YouTube community tab. Now, if you are eligible, whenever you get eligible, whenever this community tab opens for you, make sure that you're using it to promote your videos. Like for every video you upload on your YouTube channel, share it back to your community tab so that people who scroll through can actually see that video and want to watch. They will click on it and watch. Make sure that you're doing sneak peek into your main videos. Like share a part of your video that looks interesting to your audience so that they would want to look forward to watching the main video. And when the main video is ready, attach the link to that sneak peek so that you can get more views. Also, make sure that you're using polls and video teasers once your community tab opens, once you unlock your community tabs. That way you'll be getting more views on your videos and you'll be growing your channel. Your subscribers will keep increasing. So these are the 7 powerful places where you can share your YouTube videos and also get more views on those videos. But remember, it's not about where you post, it's also about how you show up. So be consistent, be helpful, and your right audience will find you. So which platform are you going to be starting with? Or which platform have you used to promote your videos? Or which platform do you actually think I forgot to mention? Just drop it in the comment. And don't forget to like this video, share to other small YouTubers, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Also turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. Until next time, bye.